here is our shawarma bread, no, ready for frying. So I'll put in a frying pan to cook. So it's preheated actually. Let's wait for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. We will flip it. Once it's cooked, then we're done. Okay, so I flip the other side to cook, no, both sides. So once you flip, you should put a small oil brush like this so that it will be soft. So let's wait for another 1 minute. It will be cooked. So here is our shawarma bread. It's cooked. Again, we will cook another one. So focus on this. Here's another shawarma. So another 1 minute, it will be cooked. So next stage is tasting, of course. Yes, so here is our shawarma bread. Smells yummy. You know guys, this one you can eat with menudo. No, for Filipinos, you can eat menudo, chicken menudo, and then you can put also chicken, like grilled chicken, to put it inside like this to make it shawarma. But for now, I'm gonna use my favorite chocolate hazelnut. Okay, it's so nice. You want? Okay, Nicole's favorite. Oh, it's a little bit hot, baby. Like it? Chocolate. It's hot a little bit. It's hot a little bit. Okay, once cold, you can eat. Okay.
That's chocolate.
Nice. Try it for yourself. You will enjoy also. Arabic bread. Delicious. Yummy. Bye-bye.